Hi everyone, right, the new update. Printed out a generator from Robert Murray Smith and I made a serpentine coil, just the first attempt here. Neodymium magnets inside, of course, so 2 wires that the end of the coil. There's only one winding. I've got through to a rectifier and then into a capacitor. You see there's still a little bit of residue left. I'm using a very small LED. Just for this attempt, I've coupled it to the printed design that I made before, just to see how that would work. Again, the control is the same. So this one doesn't start on its own, so I'll just as opposed to the larger one from Laser Saber. So I'll just show you the result. So you can hear the revolutions start to pick up. And the light starts to get stronger. As it's dumping power into the capacitor bank. Sorry about that. So basically we have a 3D printed motor and a generator. So the next is basically all we need from this point is a point where we can connect an antenna to collect the ions in that way, or maybe make some kind of Tesla sender and have this connected on the receiving end. But just thought I'd show you that the 3D printed generator from Robert Murray Smith serpentine coil, it works really well. Thumbs up, guys. Any ideas at being able to increase the output on this thing? I'd be interested in any input.